Hi everyone. So we're going to demonstrate the whole process of renewing your practicing license for the year that is of your choice, of course. So for the purpose of this video, we are just looking at 2020 renewal. So first and foremost, you have to visit the portal. You have to visit the portal, and the portal is at this website, portal.hpcz.org.zm. So you type this URL into your web browser. So type this in, and it will be able to lead you to this page. So once you have arrived at this page, maybe the first question has to be, have you ever used the online services before? If you're using the online services for the first time, that means that you don't have the username nor the password. So the first thing that you have to do is register for online services. So when you come below the page, you come below the page, you come to not registered for online services. Click on not registered for online services. This page will open up. Once this page pops up, if you're a registered practitioner, what you have to do first is select your cadre, which has to be a practitioner. So you select practitioner, you click practitioner, and you input your NRC number. So NRC number, my NRC number is this one, for instance. So after that, you even put in your email address. So that's my email address. So once I input in practitioner, my NRC number, and my email address, I have to click on register. So once clicked on register, so the system will tell you that an email registration has been sent. Kindly check your email. So I'll just pause it for a minute. I get to my email, then you'll be able to see how the email will look. There you go. This is my email box. So I've just received an email address from Health Professions Council of Zambia. So all I have to do is open. So once I open, the email will say, "Dear Swilanji, thank you for registering for HPCZ online services. So please click complete registration below for the service." So what I have to do is click on complete registration. Once I click on this, it takes me right in the system. So it will tell me you are logged in as a clinical officer general. It will call me by my first name, Swilanji, and this is my profile. So the first thing I have to do is create my username. So my username has to be one word which is unique. So when you're putting in your name, it will be able to tell you whether that username is available or it's been taken by another person. So for example, so that's the username. If it shows me green, it tells me that the username is actually available. So if my phone number has to change, I have to change my phone number. Then I come to the password. To make my password, it has to be alphanumeric characters. So it means you have letters and numbers. So it has to have capital letters, small letters, and numbers. So I'm typing in my password which I'm making. I repeat the same. Then my postal address. I have to put in my postal address. And the town where I'm doing my application from. after I finish all this, I can as well even load in my image, but that is an issue for another time. So I'll go straight into updating my details, but please be encouraged, you can actually even put in your image. So there we go. So my profile is ready, and it is telling me that my application status is pending. So when it tells you pending, doesn't mean that the other side of HPCZ has to do some steps for them to change the application status. It is all up to you. This is a self-service. So what you have to do is make some steps, and these are the steps that I will be able to show you. So from here, you come straight to renewal. When renewal is the same as you're trying to get your license. So getting a license is the same as renewal. So you can get to proceed to renew, you can click on this icon, renewal, or you can use this renewal on your menu. So for example, I can choose to go any route. So I'm going on this icon as renewal. When I click on renewal, this part opens with my details, of course. Here I'll be able to see my new application here. So I have to make a renewal application. So when I click on renew application, this part comes where I have to now select my employment status. It shows me that I've done a diploma in clinical medicine, in clinical sciences general. So I have to click my employment status as employed. So after clicking on employed, I have to now select the workstation where I'm currently working. So I'm creating the workstation. For example, maybe I'm working at United Nations Clinic in Lusaka. I click that one and I press submit application. So once I've pressed submit application, an invoice will come. So once an invoice comes, when you look at it thoroughly, you'll be maybe scared that there is another bill that has come. But what you have to do, read this comment here in red. It is saying that to confirm payroll deductions, click on make payments. So I can either click on this make payments or this make payments for me to confirm the payroll deduction. So I'm clicking on this one. So once this page now comes, it says confirm payment via government payroll. So it is checking payments, but what I have to do first is to click on government payroll, this button, radio button. So once I click on it, it will check my deduction and voila, it comes, my license comes. So what I have to do is I can download my receipt or even my license, but our primary concern right now is the license. So I'll click on download license. So I'll open it. So after I do that, here comes my license. So this is my license and everything that I need. I hope this video will be very useful to a lot of people. So basically this is it. So for example, there are even some people that are asking questions, no, I've forgotten my password. I'll be able to, or we'll be able to share a video for renewing, for you to reset your password. Hopefully this short video will be able to answer a lot of questions out there.